The U.S. Navy Office of Naval Research has successfully tested an all-new fully electric laser weapon system. Designed to fight aerial threats like drones and missiles, the new weapon system is entirely electric, unlike laser weapon systems designed and tested in the 1980s, so it doesn't require chemicals. Also, since the final model is designed for on-ship deployment, the LLD could theoretically operate with unlimited ammunition as long as the ship can provide electrical power. Lockheed Martin has spent 40 years designing and developing optical systems, targeting algorithms, electromagnetic energy systems, and elevating laser power to create ever more potent directed energy defense systems. With the LLD, strengths were leveraged from across the corporation, from research and development to a successful set of shootdowns on the range. Known as the layered laser defense, the weapon was designed and built by Lockheed Martin to serve as a multi-domain, multi-platform demonstration system. It can counter unmanned aerial systems and fast attack boats with a high-power laser, and also use its high-resolution telescope to track inbound air threats, support combat identification, and conduct battle damage assessment of engaged targets. The LLD testing supports a broader effort by the naval research and development community, partnered closely with the fleet to mature technologies and field a family of laser weapons that can address multiple threats using a range of escalating options. These capabilities range from non-lethal measures, such as optical dazzling and disabling of sensors, to destruction of the target. Laser weapon systems are a game-changer in many respects. First, they don't require much forward supply. Unlike traditional kinetic systems, like artillery, they don't run out of bullets. The LLD's continuous power and thermal system, provided by Rolls-Royce, allows it to support multiple engagements in a mass raid scenario, where other systems would need to stop engagements when their batteries are depleted. This type of precision is not possible with conventional weapons, which tend to cause a lot more collateral damage. According to a report in New Atlas, the LLD is expected to cost around $1 per shot. The strikes are silent and invisible as lasers move literally at the speed of light, and the laser is extremely accurate. This technology is a force-multiplying capability, ready to integrate into future missions to transition it into the hands of the warfighter. This latest effort may be the most promising system yet, with the powerful electric laser able to blast enemy threats like drones or missiles out of the sky.